In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Excelsior Primary won and decided to send Eber Prep first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so at that time on the clock we begin with Eber, Bible knowledge, who became Abraham's wife after the death of his first wife Sarah.
Sarai.
Incorrect. Keturah. Excelsior, Bible knowledge, to which religious sect or group did the Apostle Paul, formerly Saul, belong?
Christians.
Incorrect. Pharisees or Jew. International affairs, it's a visual question, Eber. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Afghanistan.
Correct. International affairs, a visual question, Excelsior. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Saudi Arabia.
That's right. Eber, science. The heart is at the center of which system in the human body?
Circulatory system.
Correct. Science. Excelsior, which organ filters waste from the blood in humans?
Kidneys.
Correct. Television, a visual question, Eber. Look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Raphael.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. That's correct. Television, a visual question, Excelsior. Look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
The Dark Knight.
Incorrect. Super Shredder from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. English language, Eber. According to the proverb, who dies many times before their deaths?
A cat.
A cat.
Incorrect. Cowards. English language, Excelsior. According to the proverb, what can't stand upright?
An empty bag.
Correct. Sports, a visual question. Eber, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Matthew.
Incorrect. Fraser McConnell, Jamaican race car driver. Sports, a visual question, Excelsior. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Christian Blake.
Incorrect. Yona Knight, wisdom, Jamaican diver. General knowledge, Eber. In which country is the capital city of Prague?
Czech Republic.
Correct. General knowledge, Excelsior. In which country is the capital city of Minsk?
Mexico.
Incorrect. Belarus. Eber, social studies. What is the name for a collection of billions of stars?
Galaxy.
Correct. Excelsior, social studies. What is the name for a huge frozen dirty mass of methane, ammonia, and water?
Glaciers.
Incorrect. Comet. Music. Eber. In which Caribbean country was the singer Nicki Minaj born?
Trinidad and Tobago.
Correct. Music. Excelsior. Aubrey Graham is the birth name of a famous singer who is known by what stage name?
Rihanna.
Incorrect. Drake. Mathematics. Eber. How many times can you get 0.15 from 9,000?
600.
Incorrect. 60,000. Mathematics. Excelsior. How many times can you get 0.06 from 3,000?
6,000.
Incorrect. 50,000. Jamaican affairs, and we don't have time for that question. That is the end of section 1. The scores are Excelsior Primary on 3 and Eber Prep on 6. Now, before we head to a quick break, here's a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Plan your daily calendar and activities, as this will keep you organized and productive. Set up a calendar on your phone or computer and ensure you stick to study, play, and relaxation time. A very important tip there from Guardian Achiever. Please stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.